In her hands, timeless quotes honoring the power of mothers. All that I am, or hope to be, I owe to my angel mother. My mother was the most beautiful I ever saw. All I am, I owe to my mother. The future destiny of the child is always the work of the mother. When all is said and done, it is the mother who does the most for her country. It may be possible to gild pure gold, but who can make his mother more beautiful? A mother's arms are made of tenderness, and children sleep soundly in them. Men are what their mothers made them. There is no one like a mother. She is the guardian of her children's hearts. The heart of a mother is a deep abyss at the bottom of which you will always find forgiveness. The best stories are those written by the hands of mothers. A mother's influence, when rooted in virtue, shapes generations. The mother's heart is the child's schoolroom. The greatest heroes I know are mothers who raise children with compassion. The hand that rocks the cradle rules the state. A good mother is worth 100 schoolmasters. The strength of a nation derives from the integrity of the home, and mothers are its foundation. God could not be everywhere, and therefore he made mothers. Motherhood is the noblest career, and the most underappreciated. The best academy is a mother's knee. My mother was the making of me. Thank you for visiting Ageless Wisdom, Quotes and Meditations. Please like and subscribe, and make the most of each day.